In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then click on the extension icon in the top right corner of the browser. Locate and click on your VPN extension. Then select a country from the list of available options and click Connect to establish the VPN connection. After that, click on the three dots or menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Next, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up. In this window, check the box next to Cached Images and Files to remove any stored data that could be causing issues. Click on the Advanced tab to expand more options. Here, make sure other settings like cookies and site data are unchecked unless you want to clear them as well. Finally, click on Delete Data. This will clear the cache and potentially fix the "this site can't be reached" error. Now try reloading the page to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.